In 2017, a different hacker took his hobby to new extremes by setting off every emergency siren in Dallas, Texas at once in the middle of the night. Listen to this and tell me what would go through your mind. I would probably think that the end of my life was very near. And from the top of a tall building, the siren sounded even crazier. I assume the person recording this is looking up expecting to see fighter jets blow up everything in sight, because that's sure what it sounds like. As you can hear, nobody is able to shut this off. The city has effectively lost control. Whoever did this was never caught, and this incident really exposes how vulnerable our utility systems truly are to anyone with the right technological skills and devious desires.